All right, we're going to talk about the EazyBot compensation plan. 3 easy streams of income. The first is your annual lease sales. The second is software service fees. And the third is a software service fee matching bonus. All right, so I want to say this before I go down this road so that everybody understands. What we're about to talk about is the opportunity to accelerate your earnings by referring others. It absolutely is not required in order for you to enjoy the best of EazyBot. You can simply start and open an EazyBot account for yourself and start trading and allowing it to trade and make money for you. Never tell anybody. That's perfectly okay, and you'll have a great experience with EazyBot. However, if you would like to, we give you the opportunity as an affiliate to share EazyBot with others. You can share it with a few people or with a lot of people and build a team. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like if you decide to take advantage of it. So we have a 10-level annual lease sales program. This was just updated. What that means is if you refer one person who purchases an advanced package, you're going to get paid $60. If you refer somebody and they purchase a VIP package, they're going to get paid $250. Now, the qualification kicks in on your levels on your levels 2 through 10. So in order to get paid on levels 2, you need 2 sales, and levels 3 sales, and so forth. Now, what happens is when we refer to L1 and L2 and L3 and so forth, these are the folks that your people have invited. So your people on your L1, on your level 1, have invited their own people. That becomes your level 2. And the people on your level 2 have invited their own people. That's your level 3. And so the beauty of this is that you're getting paid into an organization by people who are signing up to start to use EazyBot. And you might not even know these folks. You maybe never talked to them. You didn't know they were interested, but you've got a team that's out there working and they could be generations away from you. With dynamic compression, anybody who's not qualified, so let's say somebody upgraded on your level 5, but there's nobody qualified between you and them, then that commission rolls up to you. It's the beauty and the power of dynamic compression. So that's on your annual lease sales. It refers somebody to EazyBot, get paid as much as $250 right out of the gate for a VIP upgrade. All right, so here's a hypothetical example. We gave you 2 on VIPs on the left and advanced package sales on the right. What we've done here, I'm going to just explain what you're looking at. So we took 10 levels and we assumed that there were 4 sales per level. So you enroll 4 people, they enroll 4, so that's 16 on your second level. Those 16 enroll 4, so that's 64 on your third level. Now, this is a perfect scenario that by the time you get to your 10th level, there's over 1 million people in your organization. I think we all know that's probably not going to happen just that way. So the commission that's represented here for your annual lease sales at $7.26 million probably isn't going to work out exactly like that. But what if only 10% of this scenario came to fruition? That's a $726,000 payday. What if only 1% of this scenario came true for you, but because you got it started, you have the opportunity, $72,000 in VIP sales. So these are just some examples to show you what's possible and why this 10-level compensation plan for your annual lease sales is so powerful. All right, so next up is SSF commission. So this is the other way. This is the second way that we get paid. And you really get to maximize your earnings here by building a team. Okay, so your software service fees also has dynamic compression. Here, you get to earn a percentage of the software service fees paid by your team. Now, levels 1 through 5 will pay you 5%, levels 6 through 10, 4%, levels 11 through 18, 1%, and levels 19 through 20, 0.5%. Give you an example, very much like the one that we just looked at. Now, there are 20 levels of potential software service fee commission. Here, we're just looking at an example that considers the first 10 levels. So same scenario, you've got 4 bots on your first level, 16 on your second, 64, so forth and so on. And by the time we're on your 10th level, there's over 1 million bots that are running. Here, we're using average SSF per bot per month of about $20. And that gives us a total monthly earnings if this scenario worked out just the way that we did, and it was perfectly built 4x4x4x4, by the time you got to your 10th level, the total monthly earnings for this organization would be over $1 million. Well, we know that's probably not going to get built as exactly, as perfectly as we've outlined it here. So what if we just did 10% of that? And we had an average SSF generated per bot per month of $20. At 10% of the possibilities, it's still over $100,000 per month. And even at a 1% success rate, you're still talking about over $11,000 per month. So we just want to give you an idea of what's possible and how powerful this compensation can be if you decide that you want to go out and share it with others. Now, the third way that you can earn is through the SSF matching bonus programs. And again, here you can maximize your earnings by building a team. With the matching bonus, you earn a percentage of all SSF commissions paid to level 1 and level 2 members. So everything that your level 1 referrals earn in their paycheck, you earn 8% of that. You earn a matching bonus that's equal to 8% of their check. It's amazing. There's no requirement for that. Simply refer somebody. If they go out and they go to work and they happen to build a big team and they're earning a big fat check, well, you get 8% of that. And even better on your level 2. So maybe this isn't somebody you directly referred. Maybe you don't know anybody that's going to go out here and go to work, but somebody that you know might know someone. And so isn't it nice to know that you get some benefit from that as well? So somebody on your level 2 goes out, starts building a nice big team and gets a nice big fat paycheck. Well, listen, everybody on your level 2, you're going to get a 3% matching bonus from. So whether they're out working hard, building a big team, or they're just sharing it with a few people, your level 1s and level 2s are sharing a matching bonus, or EazyBot is paying you a matching bonus as a thank you for introducing them to EazyBot. All right, in the Founders Club, we're going to round up the opportunities to earn with EazyBot, but Founders Club is the one that there is a limited time to take advantage of. So it's kind of a big deal. Let's talk about this for just a second. Qualifications are very, very simple. You've got to be one of the first 1,000 members to accomplish the following 3 things. The first one is you have to sponsor 3 members who upgrade to advanced or VIP and are trading at least $600. Then you need to help those 3 people sponsor 3 members who are advanced or VIP subscribers, also trading at least $600. And then you yourself need to subscribe and be a VIP member trading at least $600. Accomplish those 3 things and be one of the first 1,000 members to do so. And you will share in a bonus pool that represents 5% of all the company revenue. Once you've qualified for a position in Founders Club, you are qualified forever. I just want you to imagine for a second the product that I just showed you and the company that I just introduced you to. We're building this company to be here for the long term. We believe we have a product that people will absolutely love. They find it easy to use. They're seeing it make profits for them. So we don't plan on going anywhere. We do plan on growing very, very quickly, very, very big, all throughout the world. We have members using EazyBot in just about every continent all around the world, dozens of countries represented. And so you would want to be a part of Founders Club. If nothing else, maybe you don't see yourself as somebody who's going to be a big team, but you get to participate in a pool that's being built by people who are building big teams. So that's how you get to plug in. This is our way of thanking those who were with us at the very beginning that helped us to found this amazing company and who are out here working, sharing the story and introducing others. So today you have an opportunity to be a part of Founders Club. Qualifications are pretty simple. I encourage you to consider doing that for yourself.